1. Coupling. Couplings are used to connect two pieces of pipe together in a straight line. Types of coupling. 1. Regular coupling. 2. Reducing coupling. 3. Slip coupling. 4. Compression coupling. 5. Flexible coupling. Material.
Pewc coupling.
Copper coupling. Brass coupling. Stainless steel coupling. 2. Elbow. Elbows are used to change the direction of pipe flow by 90 or 45 degrees. Types of elbow. 1. 90-degree elbow. 2. 45-degree elbow. Material.
Pewc elbow.
Copper elbow. Brass elbow. Galvanized steel elbow. 3. T. T's are used to create a branch line in a plumbing system, splitting the flow in two directions. Types of T. 1. Standard T.
Toinen reducing T. Kolmas viite.
Material.
Pewc tie. Copper T. Brass T. Stainless steel T.
4. Reducer. Reducers are used to connect pipes of different sizes, allowing for a gradual reduction or increase in pipe diameter. Types of reducer. 1. Concentric. 2. Eccentric reducer. Material. PVC reducer. Copper reducer. Brass reducer. Stainless steel reducer. 5. Union. Unions are similar to couplings but can be easily disconnected for maintenance or repairs. Types of union. 1. Threaded union. Sweat union. Material. PVC union. Copper union. Brass union. Stainless steel union. 6. Adapters. Adapters are used to connect pipes of different materials or sizes, such as connecting copper to PVC. Types of adapter. 1. Male to female adapter. 2. Female to female adapter. 3. Male to male adapter. Material.
Pewc adapter.
Copper adapter. Brass adapter. Stainless steel adapter. 7. Valves. Valves control the flow of water in a plumbing system. Common types include ball valves. Types of valves. 1. Ball valve.
2. Gatevalv.
3. Check valve. Pressure relief valve. Butterfly valve. Angle valve. Thermostatic mixing valve. Solenoid valve. Material. Brass valve. Stainless steel valve. Bronze valve. Plastic valve. 8. Trap. Traps are U-shaped fittings found under sinks and drains to prevent sewer gases from entering the building. Types of trap. 1. P-trap. 2. S-trap. 3. Bottle trap. 4. Deep seal trap. Material.
Pewc trap.
Brass trap. 9. Escutcheon. Escutcheons are decorative plates used to cover gaps or holes around pipes where they pass through walls or types of escutcheon. 1. Wall-mounted escutcheon. 2. Ceiling-mounted escutcheon. Material.
Pevný pevc escutcheon.
Metal escutcheon. 10. Hose bib. Hose bibs are outdoor faucets used for connecting garden hoses or other outdoor water appliances. Material. Brass hose bib. Chrome-plated brass hose bib. Plastic hose bib.